how you guys doing today? Well guys, I'm going to show you how I take these avocado and plant them, and I'm also going to show you guys how my avocado, the same process, and how they're doing so far. Okay, so you just cut these on all. So basically, oh, they're still good. You still can eat this, but this is the seeds. These seeds, I'm gonna take these seeds and I'm gonna transplant them. Okay, the seeds them look pretty healthy. I mean, everybody do their thing their own way, but with me, it's just simple as 1, 2, 3. It's not that complicated. So we have 3 avocado seed right there. Okay, so I'm going to transplant them into the miracle pot. The miracle pot is a pot where I plant anything I plant grows. So now I'm going to take them and I'm going to stock them in this pot right here. In this pot, you already see this is an avocado plant growing here, and this is a lemon tree growing here, and also have a tomato tree growing right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant these into these pots. I'm going to just bury them, and once they start growing, I just take them out and transplant them, which I might be doing that for next spring. So that's all I do. Dig the holes them, and just cover the soil. That's all I do. Simple as 1, 2, 3. A lot of people do many different things, but this is a miracle pot, guys. Anything you plant in this pot grows. This one I did the same method of just taking the seed out of the avocado, plant them, and they just grows right up. So now let me show you some avocado that I did the same thing and the progress of what's going on. So this is an avocado. This avocado plant going for the 2nd year now. 2nd winter, it heading for the 2nd winter. But as I know, it definitely need a bigger pot, which I understand. So for next spring, I'm gonna take them indoor for the winter, and next spring I'm gonna transplant them into big pots. This one and also this one here. This is another avocado growing here as well. So this is 2, and this is another avocado growing here as well. We also have in this pot, we have another beautiful avocado growing up here with this lime tree. So we have 4 avocado, no, not 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1 over here as well. We have 1 avocado here as well. So 4, 5 avocado growing. But I have to take this one out, which I'm gonna do maybe for next winter. Next spring, I'm gonna take out this one. This one, I'm gonna take it out very soon. This one right here, I'm gonna take it out very soon and transplant it and take them indoor. So for next spring, I'm gonna have them in bigger pots. So now, what's going on here? The thing about it is how I plant them. What I do, I take them and I bury the seed very deep down. And as it grows, what I do, I just keep adding. I just keep adding soil. Right now, as you can see here, this definitely needs some soil. So let me get some of this. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna add it around the container. So you add this around there, and what you do now, you add some soil on top of this. So this gonna break down into compost. So this gonna become food for the plant. Even this one as well. This one need more dirt as well. You see? More it grow, the more you add soil until you reach up to the top. But like I said, these plants need more soil. You see over here again? Yes, they need more soil. But what I'm doing, I'm just prepping them. I'm just giving them food for over the winter. So through the winter, they can survive, and I bring them out in the spring in big and transplant them in big container. So these are my avocado, and I already show you the process of how I plant them. This is how I do it, and this is my result from all of them. This one, this one, this one, this, and this one, and this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 avocado, and I now plant 3. All right. So guys, the thing about container garden, you got to be mindful. You see how the soil is soft? This is very important in your container garden. The soil should be soft. You cannot allow the soil to be, you see what here? The soil is soft. You cannot allow the soil to get hard and bricky, because that's gonna block the root of your plant. So be mindful of that. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace, love and blessing.